How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to Xbox, Xbox One, Series X or S. I'm going to tell you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to your Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox is turned on, of course. Then, press and hold the power button on your Stealth 500 until the LED starts flashing. This means it's in pairing mode. Now on your Xbox, press the pairing button. On Series X and S, it's on the front next to the USB port. And on Xbox One, it's near the disk drive. You should see the headset and console LEDs flash together. And once they go solid, you're connected. After that, go into settings, devices and connections, and then accessories to adjust audio levels and mic monitoring if needed. And that's it. You're ready to game wirelessly with full Xbox support.